Alright, so this, day 5 of Port to Rimac. Final day. After all that grinding, we finally gonna get the Rimac. By the way, I decided not to buy a car. You will be asking me, Kareem, you don't have a car, how are you gonna grind? Well, I will be using my friend's car, just because I don't want to spend money. And I will be using Bugatti La Voiture Noire, thanks to my friend Mara for letting me use this car for a video. And also, this is fully maxed out. The interior looks pretty nice. This engine actually looks pretty detailed. I'ma check the stats. Here are the stats. The top speed is insane. This is a really good car for it. Its price not gonna lie. But anyways, it's time for grinding. Highway race.
3, 2, 1, go!
A few moments later.
I finally reached 5 million. Now, it's finally buy the Rimac. Here is the car. Now let's purchase it. Okay, so I'ma take this on the race. And by the way, this isn't maxed. Drag race.
3, 2, 1, go!
Highway race. Around the map race. But that's all for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like these. And have a nice day.